You have purchased the Medisept Disposable Cartridge Nose Piercing System, the most innovative nose piercing system available today. Our engineers have designed the Medisept Nose Piercing System to provide piercing technicians and retailers with a safe and easy alternative to traditional nose piercing methods, eliminating the costly expense of an autoclave or piercing needles. The design of the Medisept nose piercing instrument makes it easy to use, load, and maintain. The Medisept sterilized nose piercing system offers touch-free operation by using individually pre-sterilized cartridges for piercing. Each sealed cartridge contains one sterilized nose piercing stud, designed to pierce the nostril and remain in place during the entire healing period. The Medisept nose piercing system is designed for piercing of the nostril only. It is not intended for piercing the septum or any other part of the nose or body. The ergonomic contoured grip is designed to fit hands of all sizes. The smooth linear action of the instrument helps promote precise, accurate piercing. The patented shape of the instrument accurately pierces the nostril without touching the customer's face. The cartridge channel allows for easy touch-free loading and disposal of the sterilized piercing cartridge. Each cartridge is individually sterilized for safety. The unique shape of the cartridge is designed to fit easily and comfortably into the nose for accurate, virtually pain-free piercing. Each sterilized cartridge is contained in its own individual blister package, enabling the user to safely load and dispose of each cartridge without touching the cartridge or piercing stud. Greet the customer. Now hand them the release and aftercare form to review and sign. Review the Medisept nose piercing release and aftercare procedure form. Discuss the process and have them make a selection from the style display. Hand your customer the Medisept handheld mirror to be held for the duration of the piercing service. Take the Medisept sterilized cartridge and gently remove the protective backing from the blister package. Do not remove the cartridge from the blister package. In one hand, take the Medisept nose piercing instrument and hold it parallel to the clean surface. With the other hand, take the blister package containing the piercing cartridge and place it on top of the instrument. Insert the cartridge starting with the front of the instrument, aligning the small channel of the cartridge first. Then, proceed by snapping the cartridge level into the instrument. Do not discard the blister package. Set it down on the clean surface for use during the disposal of the used cartridge. Before every new customer, prepare a clean work surface for the setup of the piercing instrument and cartridge. Using an antibacterial germicidal wipe or solution, wipe and clean the work surface. Place a clean paper cloth on the work surface. It is essential to clean the Medisept nose piercing instrument before and after each use. With gloved hands, clean the entire instrument. Use a recognized antibacterial and germicidal wipe or solution when cleaning the instrument. Do not wash or immerse the instrument in water or liquids. On your clean work surface, arrange the piercing instrument, disposable gloves, alcohol prep pad, Medisept marking pen, handheld mirror, and Medisept after piercing care gel. Check the piercing site for any skin irritations or scar tissue, as these could require special care when piercing. Do not pierce through cysts or moles, as these could be harmful. Also, be sure to inspect inside the nose for any blockages. Using antibacterial germicidal hand soap, wash and rinse hands thoroughly. Avoid touching the faucet handle and nozzle if possible when turning the water on and off. Dry your hands thoroughly. If a sink and water are not available, use an alcohol-based waterless hand sanitizer to cleanse hands thoroughly before piercing. After drying or sanitizing your hands, immediately put your disposable gloves on each hand before proceeding with the piercing service. Using the Medisept alcohol prep pad, gently clean the surface of the nose where the piercing will be placed. Before marking, check to make sure the nose is completely dry after cleansing. Using the Medisept marking pen, gently mark the spot where the piercing will take place. Have your customer confirm that the mark on the nose is in the correct location by looking into the handheld mirror. Do not remove the mirror from your customer. With the instrument loaded, position the cartridge end of the piercer into the nostril. Gently pull the instrument towards you so that the cartridge creates pressure on the inside of the nostril. Holding the instrument perpendicular to the nostril at a 45-degree angle, gently squeeze the instrument until the point of the stud is positioned exactly over the piercing mark. You are now ready to pierce. With the stud positioned over the mark, squeeze the instrument handle firmly and evenly to a full stop. Hold this position for 2 seconds. Release the handle. The cartridge will automatically disengage from the piercing stud. Slide the cartridge and instrument downward and away from the nose. The piercing is now complete. Be sure that the piercing stud head is sitting flat against the nostril. Gently tap or push the piercing stud to this position on the nostril with a gloved finger if necessary. Take the empty blister package and place it on top of the used cartridge while it's still in the instrument. With your thumb and index fingers, pinch both sides of the cartridge firmly. With the instrument in your hand, gently squeeze the handle to partially compress the instrument. Slide the cartridge forward while lifting it off and dispose of both the cartridge and blister into an approved receptacle. Take the Medisept After Piercing Care Gel and apply 1 to 2 drops to the piercing. Give the aftercare instructions to your customer and suggest that they use Medisept After Piercing Care Gel as part of their after regimen. The Medisept nose piercing instrument is backed by a limited lifetime guarantee to the original purchaser. This instrument is made in the USA and created using the highest quality materials and workmanship. Each Medisept nose piercing system component is subject to rigorous quality and safety standards regulated by the US FDA, Food and Drug Administration, and EC, European Commission. Visit www.medisept.com.